Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to operate your EU3000iS Honda generator. Take a moment to read the safety labels before starting your generator. Be aware that engines emit poisonous carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless gas that you cannot see or smell. Carbon monoxide gas can rapidly build up to dangerous levels in enclosed or partly enclosed areas and seriously injure or kill you. Whenever you run your generator, make sure it is located outside, far away from any doors or windows. Let's get familiar with your new generator. Some of the key features include the fuel cap and fuel gauge on top, a large maintenance cover on the left side, an oil maintenance cover on the rear, and a starter grip on the right side. On the control panel, there's an engine switch, choke knob, fuel valve, an output indicator, overload indicator, oil alert indicator, eco throttle switch, AC receptacles with the circuit breaker, DC receptacle with the circuit breaker, and parallel operation ports. We'll get into more detail on the control panel in a moment. Always check the oil level in your generator before every use. Make sure the oil level is at the upper limit of the oil fill neck. Before starting your generator, move it outside and away from any open doors or windows. To start the generator, make sure the eco throttle switch is off, turn the fuel valve on, and pull the choke to the closed position. Then turn the key switch to start and hold it there for 5 seconds or until the generator starts. After the generator starts, push the choke knob in. Allow the generator to run for 2 to 3 minutes before connecting any appliances to it. When the engine is running, the green output indicator will be on. Green is good and means the generator is operating normally and is providing power at the receptacles. When you power some larger appliances, the overload indicator may come on for a couple of seconds and then go off. If you try to power too many appliances or one that requires more power than the generator can make, the overload indicator will turn on and stay on. The green output indicator and power to the outlets will turn off after 4 seconds, and the generator will continue to run. If this happens, turn off the generator and remove the overload. Once the overload is removed, you can restart the generator. The oil alert system will automatically stop the engine before the oil level falls below safe limits. If your generator stops running for no apparent reason, check the oil level. The oil alert system also prevents the engine from starting if the oil level is too low. If it won't start, check the oil level. The 2 AC receptacles can supply power to common household items that operate on 120 volts. The 30-amp receptacle is used for obtaining maximum generator output from one receptacle. The maximum output of the EU3000iS is 3,000 watts, or 25 amps. The rated output is 2,800 watts, or 23.3 amps. If the AC receptacles are substantially overloaded, the AC circuit breaker will trip and electricity to the receptacles will stop. The green output indicator will stay on and the generator will continue to run. If this happens, turn off the generator and remove the overload. Push in the circuit breaker to reset it and then restart the generator. The Eco Throttle feature minimizes fuel consumption and reduces noise levels when full power is not needed. When the switch is on, engine speed automatically decreases when appliances are not being used or are disconnected. When the appliances are turned on or reconnected, engine speed increases to power the appliance. The DC receptacle and optional battery charging cables should only be used to jumpstart 12-volt automotive starting batteries. The DC charging output is not regulated and will not behave like a typical battery charger. The parallel operation outlets and ground terminal allow you to link two EU3000iS generators together to get up to double the power output. For more information, watch the video on parallel operation or refer to the owner's manual. To stop the generator under normal conditions, turn off or disconnect all appliances and turn the key switch off. To stop the generator in an emergency, simply turn the key switch off. This concludes the video tutorial on how to operate your EU3000iS Honda generator. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video.